Alright, we had a rollover. So my brother came by, helped me flip over the chassis, and he brought me his welder, because I don't have one at the current point. Used to, sold it, dumb idea. Anyways, going to start making some floor tabs. I marked them all where I want them. One here, one there, and so forth. I counted 28 of them, I think it was, that I'll need to do. So anyways, boys and girls, I'll try and do a little video of me welding them on there, and we'll get to work on this. So I figured to show you guys what I'm doing here. I'm using a small piece of angle iron to set it level with the other side of the other tube so they don't get too crazily caught. I know this is not tacked down and it can pull up a little bit, which I'm sure it will a little, but that'll be okay. It just kind of gets me from putting the things on like at a 45 and not realize it. Tack it on there, take the clamp off, and weld it. So, not too bad. MIG welding, anybody can do it. You know, had to weld this one tube here. They missed this one tube for some reason. So, anyways, not bad for a little bitty Hobart 140. This is kind of on the thick side for this little machine, but I'll get back to doing this and show you the end product hopefully. Alright boys, I'm done with welding tonight, and my neighbor came and gave me a hand putting the aluminum on top. But let's look under here. So there's almost 30 floor tabs here. One in the center there, one in the side, another one, one on each side of the center. So should be enough. And then one in the under the seat on each side. And I don't remember exactly how many I put, but it was close to the 30. I think I got 28 or 27 of them. I can't remember the exact number, but I did number them. Anyways, they're on there. They don't look too bad. I need to grind down one or two of them, you know, but that's on there. Gotta measure out the aluminum. Had a few inches over, so that's good. Gotta mark it out where I'm going to cut it, and then we'll have to take it all the way back off again to cut it. I was hoping to cut it on here, and now I'm realizing the marks will be on the bottom side, so that's not going to work. So I'll have to take it off again, but live and learn. But it's coming together, boys. I'm amazed. Brother's welder did well, so say thank you to him for that. I know he watches. And now I got to clean up a little bit, go play with the kids. So get out there, get your project going, and let's get our cars back running again. See you guys later. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe, please.